of Goodies with the Garayevs. I'm Medina.
And I'm Amina. Today we're going to be making popcorn for our movie night. First you will need half a cup of popcorn,
3 tablespoons of vegetable oil,
and your desired amount of salt.
Pour these 2 ingredients into a pot and mix it with a spoon. Put the lid on top and put the gas onto medium to high gas. Wait 3 to 4 minutes until your popcorn actually starts to pop. Look what happened here.
I think we put in too much popcorn. So good, but it's missing something. Oh, we just forgot the salt. Then after you pour the salt, you have to mix it very good.
Enjoy!